Hello fellow survivor, and especially for Miss Faye, Mr. Asanova, Mr. Darren, also Mr. Esperanza as of judges. Thank you to Trisakti Bartending Club for giving me opportunity to join in this competition. What's up guys? Hope you all are well in this pandemic COVID-19. We know it's very hard situation for us, and I hope this ordeal will pass soon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Refit Darma Putra, currently working at Holy Wings Reserve Senayan. It's an honor for me to stand in the front of you, even though only through visual show. In this darkest time, I would make my own creation. It was inspired by the time of this pandemic COVID-19. I make my cocktail from healthy ingredient with sustainability concept, because a lot of things in bar can be reused, reduced, and recycled to be a masterpiece. Without further ado, let's begin. My first ingredient is Tepache. Tepache is fermented from pineapple peel, brown sugar, cinnamon, and clove. I fermented for 3 days in 27 degrees Celsius. And I inject 45 ml. My next ingredient is pineapple shrub. I'm using a pineapple shrub from a pineapple, apple vinegar, and I fermented for 3 days in 27 degrees Celsius. And I put 40 ml to give the sour taste in my cocktail. My next ingredient is Oleo saccharum. Oleo saccharum is infused from the lime peel and sugar, and I'm resting for 24 hours in 50 degrees Celsius. And I'm using 15 ml to give the sweetness taste with my cocktail. And for the best spirit, I'm using tequila Riedel Plata, and I'm sous vide with a jalapeno pepper in 1 hour, and for the sous vide with 60 degrees Celsius, and to get the less spicy taste in my cocktail. And I put 45 ml. Nice. Let's start with it. This is my cocktail. I call this one VACCINUM. The taste note is perfectly balanced from less spicy bitter, sour and sweetness aftertaste. The noising slightly cinnamon and freshly from the pineapple. It will be good for your refreshing drink and many have nutrition inside. We already know Indonesia is a running vaccine activity. That's why I'm as a bartender trying to make a healthy cocktail as a symbol of cure for current situation. And I dedicated my cocktail to respect for all survivors out there that's still working at medical things. And we help them without wearing our mask and stay at home. So enjoy the drink at home. See you after pandemic end. Ciao.